Hey YouTube, sell some guitars on eBay. Normally sell them on Facebook Marketplace, but because of current lockdowns, I figured better just posting them, get a wider audience as well. So this is a pretty unique thing. This is my attempt. It was originally meant to be a sort of like an Ibanez swirl type hydro finish. So it's kind of turned out looking like this, which someone said to me it kind of looked like marbled meat. Well, okay, probably not. It's not showing up. They probably show up better in the pictures. Yeah, so this is a Spear Les Paul. This was a red one with a big graphic on it that I didn't like. The neck's still red. I just kind of stopped. Maybe a little bit messy there, but yeah, some interesting designs on it. Nice and original. Set neck. Decent tuners. MV08, sort of a 2008 model. This is not. There's a lot of there was a an auction thing in Hillington in Glasgow about last year, the year before. They were selling a lot of these cheap. And this is not one of those ones, because I went to the auction house and checked out all those guitars, and every single one of them had something seriously wrong with it. Bent necks, twisted necks, you know, they were hideous. So if you see cheap ones thinking, oh, you're asking too much for it, no, those ones, if they're from the Hillington thing, you know, they look suspicious because they're still got the box and stuff, and it's like they're all returns that couldn't easily be fixed. I think some right Dell boys had tried to buy them thinking, oh, that's a pure bargain, that's a £300 guitar and I'm picking it up for 120, and it's like pure, no. And it's not like it was an easy fix, you know, it's not like, oh, I sent it back because it's a scratch, and we're talking about twisted and warped stuff that you can't really fix. Yeah, so I have modded this a bit. It's got a roller bridge, it's got EMG pickups, not active ones, these are passive. I have added a kill switch, like what John 5 has, and I've changed the 3-way lever switch to a 5-way, which gives you like the same as what's an Ibanez RG. Rewired it to give you more sounds. So using the wee Laney amp, no pedals on just now. So you get neck pickup as a humbucker. You go in, position 4 is neck pickup wired as in parallel, so it sounds like a single coil, but it's still hum cancelling. So single coil, humbucker, yeah. Middle pick is still the same, which is just the 2 humbuckers on. Position 2 is both of these coil split, so you get a real single coil sound. And then bridge humbucker. Enjoy your US Dream pedal for some distortion, because this is kind of like a sort of a wee bit like a heavy metal Les Paul maybe. Neck humbucker. If you know how to use that, I'm not going to read with it. Yeah, I think bucket head and all that. So if you knew how to do that sort of thing, then I've got other videos of these. This is just for eBay listings, try and keep them down to like less than 5 minutes. So set up, playing brilliantly, all the frets are good, all the electrics are good, no issues apart from well, the paint job. I've lacquered over it. It's a little bit textured, but it's lacquered over, it won't chip off. Fortunately the sort of best bit is kind of round about here. Okay, there's a chip there, but that's because I dropped it when I was painting it. Yeah, so a certainly unique Spear Les Paul, good quality guitar. I'm not sure all spears are good. There might be a little bit of luck involved. I had one before that I didn't really like. It was a Tomcat, it was called. But this one's good, nice and solid. Rocket.